What is up, guys? This is Kyle with Krietz Customs, and Detail has given us 2 color match options here. You know, one for the family, one for the weekend camping trip. I'm gonna break them down for you. All right, guys, so we are gonna go ahead and break down this 2022 Bronco here first for you guys. This one, we have done a full color match of this Bronco, everything from the emblems on the front bumper, as well as the rear bumper, and blacked out the emblems on the back for you guys. The fender flares have also been painted on this, and you know our personal favorite touch is the interior on these Broncos. Went ahead, pulled the dash panel and the center console out, and painted those to match the rest of this yellow on this Bronco here. This does also feature the soft top, so on days not like today, perfect to throw it back, take a little day trip somewhere, you know. We have installed the 3.5-inch rough country lift on this Bronco. Went ahead and put the 35 1250-22 ridge grapplers on there. That's what I run on my truck. You know that's my personal favorite, as well as the 22x12 Fuel Typhoons. Many different finish options. This particular one, matte black was the way to go for sure. So these are similar to the Fuel Hurricane. This is gonna be like the concave version of that wheel. My personal preferences, I like the concave look over having the deep dish in there, but you know, you can put your own spin on it if you come to us and build yours. All right, so moving on over here, we have this 2023 GMC Yukon AT4, and what a beast this thing is. This is not your average mom bomb. We went ahead and beefed this AT4 up more than it already was. We went ahead, put the 3-inch Ready Lift kit on this one. We have 35-inch Nitto ridge grapplers and the 20x9 fuel cycles. What an awesome beefed up look this GMC has. So this wheel does offer, as you can see, this awesome rugged look, a little more filled in versus the typical 22s we're putting on other vehicles, but that kind of beefs up and gives this GMC an aggressive look that's unique just to this build. Now we also have done a full blackout on this, everything, grille emblems, the fog light bezels, mirrors, handles, all of the emblems, everything on this is completely blacked out. So this will get you just about anywhere you need to go. You know, it's a great daily driver, also great for the weekend if you want to go camping. You know, we've beefed it up where you still have those off-road capabilities to go do what you need to do. All right, guys, that is a wrap on the breakdown of both of these beautiful color match options. Let us know in the comments which ones you like better. Both of these will get you anywhere you need to go. Just let us know which one's your favorite. You can come build yours like one of these, or you can go ahead and check out the website, see what options we have on there. It's raining, and I'm out.